Hi, my dear friends. There are many kind of coach available, but when comes it live coaching, I think there is no more live coaching. Friends, live coaching is more important to all. Friends, if if I get proper guidance during my younger age, I would go achieved. So, friends, so far I have learned a lot of experience in my life. I am going to share my experience. I am going to share my opinion with you, friends. If you take decision, if you take decision regarding your life at the correct time, it would be very useful for your career. So, when you have when you have time, if you are younger, take proper decision regarding your career. If you miss your time, you cannot catch again. I have missed many kind of opportunity in my life. Now I am worrying about. I am I am feeling I am feeling lot about why I had missed my opportunities. So I am going to share my thought, my my opinion, everything with you.